Wow! What's up guys, this is Aaron from Great Lakes RC and I got the Proline out 4x4 SC, new body painted up. I did a lot of work to this ramp. I took a lot of the steepness out of it and it works really good now. So we're going to give this thing a durability test. It's kind of sliding all over the place today. I don't remember doing it when I tested it out the last time. Oh, yeah. Oh! Again, I'm on 4S. Seeing how this thing is going to work on 4S. Whoa! A lot of air correction. Wow, that launched nice. I will say this truck launches really nice, just even off of these short ramps. Whoa, holy crud. Oh my gosh. New ramps, new big air ramp is nice. Not hearing the body rubbing, so that's good. Wow! That was a sweet launch. So I'm really glad I painted this body the way I did, because it helps me identify which is back and front, because this body's pretty, the cab kind of looks the same front and back. And with the yellow stripe and the black front and the silver, I can kind of, it's easier to identify it. Wow, beautiful launch. Really happy with the changes I made on that ramp. It's a little bit squirrely today. Must just be because of the wetness in the ground. Swampers are a little bit of a hybrid tire. They handle pretty good on the road and okay on the grass. I'll give it to Proline. This thing handles very, very nice. You can do some fun things with this truck. I'm almost going to turn my dual rates down. Easy backflip. Alright, we'll do one more. Yeah, definitely spinning out in the back, so I'm going to have to alter my diff fluids here. Alright. That's my Proline SC 4x4. We'll catch you guys next time.